Welcome to Top 4 Earn Channel.
Hey, do you want to make $7,000 per month in passive income for free? Maybe use that money to fly to Dubai and go on a spending spree in the largest mall in the world that literally has a water park inside of it.
Dude, what the fuck?
Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and if you think I can't do this, you can. If you think I don't have money, you can do this for free. If you think I don't have time, you literally don't need a lot of time for this because this is dead simple. Also, if you want to make 7 times more money from this method, make sure you stick with me all the way to the end. Just imagine the number on your bank account grow by $7,000 per month, making you able to spend more time with your family or kids, or even travel the world just with your laptop. And this channel right here is literally crazy. It's called Gaming Sound Effects. And as you can see, he's literally posting just these very short 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 6 seconds, and getting 5 million, 5 million, 5 million, 6 million, even 11 million views on this. And this guy literally hasn't posted for a year, and he's still getting 300, even up to 400,000 views every single day. Isn't that crazy? Then you can see that he's making anywhere from $90 a day up to 1,400. And you can see that he's literally getting 11.5 million views every single month. And he's earning about 3,000 all the way up to 46,000. But we can literally take the views right here. And if we divide that by 1,000, we get the CPM. And let's say he gets 50 cents per 1,000 views. And we just go like this. That's about $5,778 just from the ad revenue alone. And I'm going to show you how to make a lot more money with this YouTube channel in the last step. So stick with me here. But wouldn't like $6,000 per month do something really great for your life? I definitely think so. So here's how we're going to do it. So step number 1 is going to be to collect. And as you can see right here, this is gaming sound effects. You can see that they have like Take the L Fortnite sound, Circus Clown music, Fortnite Death sound effect, My Name is Jeff sound effect. So there's all these memes, all these gaming sounds, and all of that. Now the website you're going to go to is sapsplat.com, and you can see here free sound effects and royalty-free music, over 67,000 free professional sounds that you can use, no copyright or anything like that you get your channel taken down and stuff like that, because we definitely don't want that to happen. Another website you can go to is called Free SFX Co. UK, and here they have 500,000 sound effects and music tracks. So you can see all of these down here that you can literally re-upload and have on your YouTube channel. Now I want to show you the last one, which I think is the best, freesound.org. So here you can literally see that they've posted literally since 2002, so they've been around for a long time. And what I want you to do is go to search sounds and then literally write anything, and then you go all the way up to the top right here and you have like advanced search, and here you can sort by downloads most first. And when you search that, the top downloaded sounds will come to the top. And here you can see RBH Thunderstorm literally has 141,000 downloads right here, which means it's pretty popular. This one has 131,000. Record Scratch, Cinematic Boom, Wind, Explosion, Grenade. And this is how you can see that this is popular. So it's probably going to be something that's a lot of people are interested in downloading on your YouTube channel as well. And you can see like this is from 2005. We can also see like 2014. And I actually wanted to just search that into Google, like the thunderstorm effect. And you can see this thunder sound effect that is 7 seconds long has gotten him over 2 million views, which is really crazy. You just want to click on that RBH Thunderstorm right here, and then you have to log into download. So I just logged in, and now I can click download, and now it's downloading. And this license is under Creative Commons. So what you need to do is actually have a link to this So you just have the share URL in the description of your video. So now we literally collected the sound effects, and we kind of need a couple different things as well. So in this channel right here, they have like this icon right here, but I think we're gonna actually do a little bit better. So what you want to do is go over to unsplash.com, and we're actually gonna download a storm. So we're just gonna click that in here, and then we can have like this beautiful image right here, and we're just gonna click on download free in the top right here. And if you think, hey, I'm just gonna do as this guy has done right here, copying does not work. You definitely have to be unique, and you have to make your own style in order for this to work. And then you also want to go over to this website called Clean PNG, and you want to search sound effects. And here you can see that you can find this icon right here, and a PNG basically means that it's a transparent background, which makes it so much easier for us. So we're just going to click on free download here as well. Are you a robot? Click this. Now you can see that we have all the things that we need. So now we've collected all we need. Now we're literally going to go over to step number 2, which is to mass create. So here is the software you need. DaVinci Resolve 16. They literally just came out with a free version, and this software is literally free. And you might know like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro X or whatever on Mac. Well, this is literally their competitor that's so good. I've used Premiere for so long, and I recently just changed over to this because it's free, and I literally pay $700 for Premiere Pro, and I literally changed over to this because you don't need a beefy laptop in order to get this to work. It literally works in the background and renders, and you can use it on Mac, Windows, Linux, and you literally download it for free right here. So these are the files that I just downloaded, and we're just gonna drag it over to clips in media pool. And as you can see right here, we're just gonna drag that thunder clip down to the bottom, and this will be the audio track. And then we're gonna have the thunderstorm image that we found on Unsplash. Just gonna drag that over here, and then we're gonna pull it out, hold Alt and scroll, and you will zoom out. Just drag it to the end right here, and then we're gonna have the cloud speaker right here, and we're gonna drag that out as well. Now I actually don't really like how it looks right now, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually change this to white. Now a takeoff tip right here is that I don't know how to make this white. So what I do is I go to YouTube, I search DaVinci Resolve 16 color overlay, and then I watch a tutorial on how to do it. And you need to implement this into your life where you have the Google it now mentality. Like a lot of things I don't have a clue how to do, then I just Google it now, and then I learn it in 3 minutes right here, or 2 minutes on how to do it. Whatever problem you have, somebody else has had that problem before, so just Google it now. So here's how you do it. Just go over to color right here, and then go into the effects library. Just go on invert, and then you have the invert color. Just drag that over here. You can see that it changes to white. Now you literally just made this video from scratch, and now all you want to do is click on O. So we have like the timeline right here, so we know how to render it. And go to file, and now you're going to click on export or click quick export. And what you can see right here is that you can literally just click on YouTube and then just sign in to publish directly to your YouTube channel. And just imagine how many of these videos you can do. And also you just have to do this work right here just once, and this can be your thumbnail, and you can optimize it very simply. And if you do this, you can literally get views like this. I found another channel called Sound Bunker, and he's been getting like 7,000, up to 20,000, even 30,000 right here. His channel is kind of taking off, and he's getting a total of 2 million views right here. And if we just check his stats on Social Blade, you can see that his channel is literally taking off right now with only 49 uploads. Isn't that crazy? So now you're literally uploading a ton of videos, you're getting views, and you're getting subscribers and all of that good stuff. Now just imagine somebody would go on this video. What is the first link that they would click? That is literally how to download that sound effect. And what you can use is a service called AdFly. So if we just go to AdFly right here, I'll show you how it is. You click the AdFly link, to get an ad, and then you just click skip the ad, then you can download the video, which is really, really cool. And they actually have something better now than AdFly, which is 2-in-1. You can literally upload the free download to this, and you can also make money from it. So this website is called file-upload.com, and you can actually see that they've paid a total of $538,000, and they have 421,000 members right here. And as you can see, if you just click on make money, you can see that if File Uploads pays up to $7 per 1,000 downloads, depend on the downloader location, which is pretty crazy because everybody that literally looks for sound effects looks to download that sound effect. So the conversion rate of that would be really, really high. So you can literally, I guess, why would you listen to a sound effect just to listen to it? You probably want to download it. Also, they're most likely YouTubers that go into these channels to download these sound effects. So that means that you'll probably, out of 1,000, I bet like 90%. Is that unfair to say like 90% of the people that go into the sound effect will want to download it? That's not unreasonable, right? Let's not say that it's 90%. Let's say that it's just 50%. That means 100,000 people clicked on this, and I don't know, 100,000 times or divided by 1,000, because clicks this times $700. So literally 700 extra dollars for just the AdFly link that is in the description right here. Really, really cool. The second way I'm going to show you how to make more money with this, and that is to promote a software called Content Samurai. Now, they recently just changed over to Vidnami, and this is literally a YouTube tool that can take a script into a video in seconds. So go from script to video in seconds, thoughtfully automated image suggestion, edit your entire video with a single click. I use this in a different channel I have, and it's growing like crazy. It's a really, really good software. And how you're going to promote this is you go all the way to the bottom and click on become an affiliate. Then you have to make an account with Noble Samurai, and you just click on affiliate area, and then you can click on promote Vidnami right here. They're exactly the same, it's just a renaming. And you can literally select a 14-day free trial right here. Just promote this link right here in your description, and if anyone buys, you'll literally make monthly recurring commissions for this. So in May, you can see that I literally made $464 just from Content Samurai alone, and they stay on the platform for a really long time. So because it's monthly recurring, I'll earn probably about 460 plus the ones that continue to sign up to Content Samurai through my link, but just stacks on top of it like that. And I imagine out of like 200,000, you can at least get a couple people to sign up to like a free trial, and then they like the software and they continue using the software. You will make recurring commissions and more passive income. And the last step, number 4, is to automate. You want to go to upwork.com and you want to make an account, and you can literally outsource all of this really quickly. All you have to do is click on the bottom right here, and then you just have a video virtual assistant, and you just have admin and support right here, virtual administrative assistant. Click on entry level, and then one last step, have how many hours they want to work, and then how many months of work, and enter skills here, video editing, and just like that, you just post a job and you can hire a bunch of different people. Now, it obviously is a lot that goes into it. There's a lot of pitfalls with hiring people and how to get the right people, but as you can see, you can have a reliable virtual assistant / video editor for literally $5 an hour, and in an hour you could probably make 3 or 4 of these for just $5. This guy as well, $5 an hour from the Philippines, and you get to hire these really, really cheaply. So you don't even have